This 2025 Prime Time Sanibel 3102 RSWB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Prime Time is 36 feet 1 inch in length and features a SURFSIDE interior, sleeps 4, refrigerator, microwave, smoke detector, oven, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, awning, skylight, water heater, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Prime Time Sanibel 3102 RSWB is 11,333 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.